Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is very important for health and nutrition. That is vitamins. Introduction and classification we will discuss today. Let's understand what are vitamins, why we need them and how they are classified. What are vitamins? Vitamins are organic compounds that the body needs in very small amounts for normal functioning. They help in growth, repair, immunity, and maintaining overall health. They do not give energy directly, but they are essential for life. Essential is very important history of vitamins. In 1880, scientists like Sir Frederick, Crowl, and Hopkins noticed that some diseases occur due to lack of certain food factors. Later, in 1912, Funk gave the name vitamine to these compounds. Later, it was changed to vitamin, as not all of them contain nitrogen, that is, amine group attached to it. It was not there to every vitamin. So, it was later called as vitamin, as not all of them contain nitrogen group. That's why. Why are vitamins important? Lack of vitamins can cause diseases like scurvy from lack of vitamin C, rickets from lack of vitamin D, night blindness from lack of vitamin A. So next we will discuss the classification of vitamins. Vitamins are classified based on solubility. That is how they dissolve, whether they dissolve in water or fat. Two types of vitamins are available, fat soluble and water soluble. Number 1, water soluble vitamins. पानी में घुलने वाले vitamins. They do not get stored in the body. We need them daily. वो बॉडी में स्टोर नहीं होते और हमें उसकी डेली ज़रूरत पड़ती है vitamins, जो वाटर soluble vitamins है उनके एग्जाम्पल्स है vitamin B1 thiamine. After vitamin B1 that is thiamine, B2 riboflavin, B3 niacin, B5 pantothenic acid, B6 pyridoxine, B12 cyanocobalamin, vitamin C ascorbic acid, biotin, vitamin H, folic acid also known as vitamin M. After water soluble vitamins, let's discuss about fat soluble vitamins. वसा यानी कि फैट में घुलने वाले vitamins. These are stored in body's fat tissues. तो ये जो vitamins है बॉडीज़ के जो फैटी टिश्यूज़ होते हैं उसमें ये स्टोर होते हैं. इसके एग्जाम्पल्स है विटामिन ए, इसको रेटिनॉल भी कहा जाता है, विटामिन डी जिसका केमिकल नेम है कोलेकैल्सिफेरॉल, विटामिन ई दैट इज़ टोकोफेरॉल, विटामिन के फाइलोक्विनोन. So we will discuss about the sources and absorption. Most vitamins come from food. Mostly all the vitamins come from food only, as you know. Some animals can make certain vitamins. Like rats can make vitamin C, but humans cannot make. That's why we take from oranges, lemons. We need to take it from food as sources. Main sources are food only. Humans can make only 2 vitamins in their body. That is vitamin D from sunlight. With the help of sunlight, they can make niacin from tryptophan. So now let's come to the conclusion. So vitamins are essential for life even though needed in small quantities. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, dairy and grains provides us with all essential vitamins. There are total 13 essential vitamins and each one has special role to play within the body, helping to regulate the processes such as cell growth and repair, reproduction and digestion. And vitamins can perform their work in very small quantities. Hence, the total daily requirements is usually very less or very small quantities you require. That's all for the day. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and share this to your friends so that they will understand easily. Thank you.